Unlocking the world of AI, machine learning, and neural networks. Imagine if machines could think, learn, and even recognize your face. Sounds futuristic, doesn't it? But the truth is, this future is already here, transforming everything from how we chat with friends to how we get to work. Today, we're stepping into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence, machine learning, and neural networks. Don't worry, it's not as intimidating as it sounds. We're breaking it down into simple and fun ideas so it feels less like a lecture and more like a chat with a friend. Ready? Let's dive in. All right, let's kick things off with artificial intelligence, or AI for short. At its core, AI is all about making machines think. Think of it like this: your phone, computer, or home assistant. Yep, that includes Siri, Alexa, or Google Assistant, can now process information and make decisions just like humans. That's AI in action. Picture this. You ask your smart assistant, "What's the weather like today?" In seconds, it pulls data from the internet, processes it, and gives you an answer. Cool, right? Examples like this are everywhere. Language translation apps, chatbots that help you shop online, and even self-driving cars that figure out traffic in real time. These are all powered by AI. But here's the big question. How does AI learn or get smarter? That's where machine learning comes in. AI isn't born knowing everything, or anything for that matter. Machines need to be taught, and that's where the magic happens. Machine learning, or ML, is a clever way for machines to learn from examples instead of being told what to do every step of the way. Think about teaching a friend a new game. You don't have to explain every possible scenario. Instead, you show them a few rounds and they start catching on, right? That's exactly what ML does for machines. Take this example, Netflix. Every time you binge watch a show, Netflix watches you. Don't worry, it's friendly watching. It learns what you like, mysteries, romantic comedies, sci-fi, and starts recommending movies or series you'd probably enjoy next. The more you watch, the smarter Netflix gets at predicting your taste. But it doesn't just stop here. ML powers things like spam filters for your emails, predicting which messages are junk. How does it all work? It's actually all about data. Machines look at patterns in large sets of data. By analyzing tons of examples, they start to figure out patterns on their own, kind of like solving a puzzle. But to take learning to the next level, some machines need something more advanced, a type of brain. And that brain, you guessed it, neural networks. Now this is where things get even more fascinating. Neural networks are the digital version of the human brain. Don't worry, they're not as complicated as they sound. Imagine your brain, which learns by connecting tiny cells called neurons. Each time you see someone you know, your brain pieces together clues, eyes, nose, a smile, and says, "Hey, I recognize this person." Neural networks work the same way. They're designed to mimic this brain structure, with layers of interconnected neurons or tiny computing nodes. Here's a real-world example. Think about how your phone can now recognize whether there's a dog or a cat in a photo. Neural networks break the image down into smaller pieces, say the shape of the ears, the fur pattern, or even the tail position, and analyze these details layer by layer to make a decision. This is a furry friend with a wagging tail? Must be a dog. But that's not all. Neural networks are behind some of the coolest advancements we see today, like facial recognition software, translating languages in real time, and even diagnosing medical conditions like cancer. They work tirelessly, analyzing crazy amounts of information for accurate results. What's incredible is how neural networks are advancing, allowing AI to solve more complex problems faster than ever before. But here's the neat part. You don't have to be a computer wizard to appreciate this tech. Let's connect these dots in simpler terms. Now that we've explained each piece of the puzzle, let's tie it all together. Think of artificial intelligence, machine learning, and neural networks as a team that builds on each other. AI is the big idea, or overall goal of making machines smarter. Machine learning is the how. It's the process that lets machines learn from data. Neural networks are the tool, helping machines process that data like a human brain. Here's an example to connect all these ideas. Imagine you're using Google Maps to find the fastest route to your favorite pizza place. AI organizes all the traffic-related information. Machine learning helps it predict which streets are busiest based on past data. Neural networks analyze maps and traffic patterns in layers, telling you the quickest way to get there. So, every time you make it to your pizza on time, you have this tech trifecta to thank. Together, these technologies make the things you use every day smarter, faster, and more intuitive. And the best part? You don't need to understand all the technical details to see how transformative this is. Now some of you might be thinking, okay, this is cool and all, but why should I care? Well, AI isn't just a distant tech trend. It's shaping your future every single day. From personalized learning apps to healthcare breakthroughs, AI is creating a world that helps you live smarter and work more efficiently. For students and learners, understanding these concepts opens the door to exciting opportunities. Whether you want to dive into coding or simply stay informed about the tech, learning about AI equips you for the modern world. Plus, it's super fun to explain to others when you can say stuff like, "Oh, Netflix recommended this show because of machine learning. It's basically read my mind." AI also encourages creativity. Picture apps that write essays based on your prompts, machines that compose music, or even AI tools that create artwork from scratch. Combining human imagination with machine intelligence opens up endless possibilities. Before we wrap up, let's clear up some common myths about AI. First, no, AI isn't here to take over the world or steal jobs. In fact, most of what AI does is handle repetitive tasks, giving humans more time to focus on creative and meaningful work. Second, you don't have to be a genius mathematician to learn about AI. Many programs and tutorials out there make it beginner-friendly and approachable for everyone. Finally, AI doesn't work against us. It works for us. Think of it as a helpful sidekick, not a villain from a sci-fi movie. So, here's what we've learned. AI is the overarching goal, making machines intelligent. ML is how machines learn through data and examples. And neural networks are like the digital brain, helping machines analyze and interpret complex information. AI is already shaping your life in ways you might not realize, and the journey is only beginning. The future holds even bigger possibilities, from better healthcare solutions to smarter learning processes and eco-friendly innovations. Imagine living in a world so intelligent that it actually helps us become more human. We hope this breakdown helps you see AI, machine learning, and neural networks as less daunting and more fascinating. These are technologies that touch your life every day, even in ways you don't notice. So, what's next? Stay curious. Dive into learning more. Explore how AI is changing fields like art, gaming, and healthcare, and maybe even inspire yourself to create the next big AI innovation. Who knows? The future might just have your name on it. Thanks for watching, and remember to like, share, and comment on your favorite takeaway from this video. Let's keep the conversation going. Until next time, stay curious and keep on learning.